In this question, you have to identify the equivalent of a structural gene. Option A, operon. It is incorrect because an operon refers to a cluster of genes under the control of a single promoter and regulatory elements functioning together in prokaryotes, and it includes structural genes, but it is not equivalent to an individual structural gene. Option B, recon. It is also incorrect because it represents the smallest unit of recombination in a gene, but it is not equivalent to a structural gene. Option C, muton. It is also incorrect because a muton is the smallest unit of mutation within a gene, not equivalent to a structural gene. Option D, cistron. A cistron is a segment of DNA that codes for a single polypeptide or RNA molecule. So, this is the correct option because this is equivalent to a structural gene.